Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing something different. I'm gonna be showing you the process after I finish my beat on an MPC and before I upload it to YouTube. It all depends on the beat. You know, sometimes I'm happy with how it sounds on the MPC, so I'll just transfer the whole beat directly to Ableton and just upload it to YouTube. But sometimes I need to work on the beat a little bit more, so I will transfer all the tracks from individually from the MPC to Ableton. For this beat, I didn't need to transfer the drums on individual tracks, so as you can see here, I have all the drums in one track. For these drums, I just added some EQ on where the kick is sitting right now, just to bring it up the kick a little bit more and just to bring it in front of the bass line. And I added some compression just to bring up the crispiness of the hi-hats. You can hear it there. And when you add the compression, it just brings up the high frequency of the drums. I just added some gain on the 57 hertz where the kick is sitting right now, just to put it in front of the bass line. And on the bass line, I reduced the gain on 57 hertz, you know, just to give it some space, just to give some space to the kick. That's all I did in these two tracks. As you can see, I really don't feel like I need to add more to these two tracks. Next we have the sample, which I didn't do much here because I already worked on the sample a little bit on the MPC. So this is what I got from the MPC. You can hear it still has like a little bit of the original bass line. So I just added an EQ and took out the low end of the sample. But I left a little bit of the tail of the bass line, the original bass line, to fill these gaps right here on my bass line. You see these empty spaces here. So when I play the sample, you can hear the tail of the original bass line just filling this gap right here. Also, I added a stereo imager just to, you know, bring it to the sides so the sample doesn't interfere with the drums and the bass line. I also have some violins. The same thing. I just took out the low end of the violins and just added some stereo imager to be, you know, to put it on the sides. And this is without the EQ. You can hear like the hit from the original sample. You can hear that a little bit. So that's why I took the low end. And if we add the sample, you see the muddiness that it has. So that's why I added this EQ, just to take that. Over here we have, it's a bass line, but it's just a little, you know, just a little notes that I added there. So if we play both, I added that just to give it some more rhythm to the bass line. So I just took the low end of that. I just need the mids and the highs from these notes. And now if you play everything, you can hear all the instruments there. All the tracks that I showed you, you can hear them. Because, you know, I got the samples on the sides, the bass line is in the middle with the drums, but it's in behind the kick. So, you know, you can hear all the sounds at the same time. And I think it sounds good. I like it. And like I said, it all depends on the sounds that you have. It depends on the samples, depends on the drums that you're using, depends on if the record that you sample from, it's, you know, it's dirty. There's a lot of things that can damage the sample and the sound of your beat. There's no tutorials out there that's gonna tell you, okay, You gotta do this and this and that, and then you're gonna have a great sound. It all depends on your ears, on the how you apply the EQ, the compressor, and all that. So I hope this can help you guys understand more of how I make my beats. And if you liked it and you want more videos like this, just let me know in the comments. So don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, all that stuff. Don't forget to go to Instagram, follow me there. I upload beat videos there every week. And yeah, thank you for watching and see you next time.